Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Maceió. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Ponta Verde is a beach in Maceió, capital city of Alagoas, state of Brazil. Then on to the next attraction. Then move to Praia de Pajuçara. Busy beach with calm water and nearby boats to take visitors to well-known pools off the coast. Then move to Handicraft Market Pajuçara. Oceanside fair under a tent offering colorful souvenirs, snacks, casual clothes and gifts. Next stop Praia do Francês. Well-known beach with reef pools for swimming, plus food and souvenir vendors and water sports. Move on to Praia do Gunja. This picturesque beach on a peninsula features swimming, boating, coconut trees and eateries. The most popular travel time in Maceió is January. The temperature ranges from 32 to 23 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Deck and Around Carnival is in February and March. Maceió Music Festival is in March. Festas Juninas is in June. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.